What on earth am I going to be using this gravy boat for? Well, stick around and you'll find out. Hello everyone, so I am using products from Poundland today. You can also find these in the dollar stores. So I have this from Poundland for £1, and then I have this tray, and it was from, well actually, sorry, spoiler alert, that was not meant to happen. But yeah, this is a frame or some kind of decor piece from the Christmas section, and it was reduced for 25p, so bargain. Alright guys, I promise you're going to love this one. It's so simple, so easy, and so quick to put together, really cheap as well. So first off, I'm just taking off all of the, oh it's actually stapled. Okay, I'm going to do that off camera, but I'm just going to take this off, and this has already come off. Okay, so you've got your frame, and then I'm taking this bag of stones, and this was also from Poundland, and I know you can all find it in the Dollar Tree stores as well. And I'm going to pour some in. The best part is I know this is going to look quite expensive, and don't you just love that when you make a craft and it's really simple, really quick and easy and inexpensive, and then it just looks like a really nice home decor piece that's worth a lot more. You want to put some stones around your gravy boat and make sure that the design is hidden and there's nothing to worry about. I think that bag was just perfect. Ignore my messy hand. I was just testing some pens out. Completely forgot that that was on my hand. Alright, so once you have your gravy boat in place, you want to just take it out because we're going to be writing in the Rae Dunn sort of inspired font on here. I'm going to start off by writing it in pencil, just, you know, if there's any mistakes I can rub it out. So I've just gone ahead and practiced. What do you guys think? Hopefully it looks a lot better than that on the actual thing. I've just sketched it out and I'm not happy. I feel like I need to move it a little bit more to the left because it's just, I don't know, there's too much space on the left. So here we go again, take 2. This was like my 3rd attempt and I've finally done it. Then I've taken 2 of my pens. This is an acrylic painter, and I bought these from China. They're actually calligraphy pens, and I got 3 in a set. I was debating which one to use. I think the acrylic painter is a little bit too thick because Rae Dunn text tends to be really thin, and that's a characteristic of that type of font. So I'm going to go with this one, and I've tested it and it is permanent. So you just want to write over your pencil design, and I really need to do this up close, so I'm going to have to do it off camera. I'm going to let this dry before I just tidy up inside. So let's work on the rest. So you're going to bring back your tray and place it inside. Next I'm taking some salt because it's way cheaper than white sand. Fill the inside of your gravy boat with salt. Once you've filled your gravy boat with salt, you want to take your artificial succulents. Again, these are selling in Poundland and they're also selling in the dollar stores. Then you want to start arranging them inside. I'm taking 2 smaller ones because I want to put some on the side here. Lastly, I'm using my favourite artificial plant, and I'm curving this part so that I can slot it inside. here we have it. I really love how this came out. I think it's really minimal and clean and just simple and really looks expensive. Honestly, I bought everything pretty much from Poundland, and I know that you all have these items in the dollar stores, so it's just a great DIY. Honestly, if this was in a store, it would be, I think, cheapest around £35, and I honestly made this for £8. £8. Oh, I'm just really happy with it. I hope that you all have enjoyed this DIY as well. If you have, don't forget to leave me a like and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. And if you have really enjoyed this, stick around for more content and subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye.